Today on SGTV, I'm here with Live Sparks at the Atos Jiu-Jitsu Academy. So James, you want to tell us a bit about what we're doing here today?
Yeah, so we've installed Ovia lighting throughout a few of the branches, but here today I'm going to show you through this install. If you want to come with me, we'll have a look.
Cool. James, what was your brief when you was given this task?
The brief for this installation was clean, sleek, modern and bright. And as you can see,
That's
just
exactly
from
what
looking
we've
at
got.
it, there you go. It matched perfectly. I think we hit the brief pretty bang on.
It's quite the space, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a brilliant transformation. If you'd seen it before, what the team at Atos have done, and with Scolmore and Ovia, we've really hit the brief, and the client was more than happy, over the moon. Yeah.
What made you choose Ovia?
Well, after listening to the brief and seeing what we wanted, we required, some high quality lights, modern, sleek, and after looking around and researching, Ovia looked like the right place to go to. The design team were brilliant. They come out, measured up, went into the science of it, lumens, spread of the lights, and the design team really hit the nail on the head, and we stuck to it as much as we could, what they suggested and recommended. But as I said, the client was over the moon, and as you can see, the lights look phenomenal. They really do.
Really does look amazing in here.
The sprites in particular are a really high quality fitting, and they look the business.
Yeah. How about we go onto the mats and you show us some of the products that you've actually installed?
Sure, let's go.
So James, we're in the main area now, so tell us about the products that you've had to put in.
So across the two matted areas, we've installed the Ovia sprites, the 35 watts. We've got 12 in this area, and we've got 17 in this area. We've also installed some Inceptor Millis down this little walkway that just brighten up this area. We didn't want to install sprites there because it was a bit recessed. It didn't match the heights that the design team give us, so we just changed it slightly. But yeah, as you can see, we've installed some emergency light fittings also across the matted area. But we've also installed some of the Inceptor Duos at other branches, which we've also found brilliant to install. But in particular, the sprites were effortless to fit. They come with the click flow connector, simple. And then when the decorator had to come back to retouch up the ceilings, it was easy for him to just unclick them, take them down, whip round with a brush and pop back up. So all in all, they really were, a pleasure to install and made life simple.
Yeah. What was here before? Were the existing products already here?
It was, the old grid ceilings. And again, the brief, he wanted it clean and plastered, perfect finish. So got rid of the old grid ceiling. It was the old grid lights, they're awful.
You could smell the tobacco
they're
embedded in them.
Really were awful. And, the team at Atos have done an amazing job, along with the sprites. Just as you can see, the installs.
Yeah, transform the space. I mean, it is
clean, mate. So clean.
You've done a good job.
Yeah, thank you. I like to think so.
Yeah.
But yeah, the design team really did help with spacing the lights out and making them work.
If you actually want to see more from James, Live Sparks, he's doing pretty well on social media. So where would they find you?
Live Sparks, just put it on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok. Live Sparks, I'm on there.
Yeah, and if you need services in the Midlands, you seem to be doing a decent job from what I can see.
I'm trying, but yeah, definitely available for work if anyone needs anything doing.
If you want to find out more about Ovia products, like some of the ones we've used here, please check out the website at oviauk.com. We also have the lighting design service featured on there, and they've been a great service to you. So if it's something you and your project need, then please do get in touch. As always, with us here at SGTV, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification button, follow James on social media, and we will see you next time.